Transitioning your home from summer to fall. One of the easiest ways to welcome a new season into your home isn't by replacing everything you own. It's by making thoughtful transitions. The beauty of timeless decorating is that your home evolves naturally, just as the seasons do. As summer slowly gives way to autumn, our homes begin craving a little more warmth, a little more texture, and some more comfort. Transitioning your color palette. The first transition begins with color. During summer, our homes often feel light and airy, filled with crisp whites, soft creams, and gentle neutrals that reflect the brightness outside. As we move into fall, those same neutral foundations remain, but we begin layering richer tones that add warmth and depth. Think warm beige, camel, soft rust, chocolate brown, olive and sage green, muted terracotta. These colors don't replace your whites and creams. They complement them beautifully. Your white sofa suddenly feels completely different when it's paired with camel pillows, a rust-colored throw, and a beautiful ceramic vase in an earthy finish. That's the magic of seasonal layering. Transition your fabrics. Summer is the season of breezy linens and lightweight cottons. They feel fresh, relaxed, effortless. Keep the neutral materials you already love. One of the biggest misconceptions about transitioning your home into fall is believing everything with a light, natural feel has to be packed away. The truth is, some of the most timeless materials belong in your home every season of the year. If you have wicker baskets, keep them. If you have rattan furniture, leave it exactly where it is. If your home features a beautiful sisal or seagrass rug, there's absolutely no need to replace it. These natural materials are the perfect foundation for every season because they bring warmth, texture, and an organic quality that never goes out of style or out of season. Instead of replacing them, simply layer around them. Add a cozy cashmere throw over your rattan chair. Place a camel color pillow on your wicker bench. Style a woven basket with folded blankets instead of beach towels. Let your sisal rug anchor the room while richer textures, warmer colors, and softer fabrics create that cozy autumn feeling. This is exactly how designers create homes that feel seasonal without feeling over-themed. They don't start over. They build upon what already works. That's one of the secrets to timeless decorating. Your home evolves with the seasons, but its character remains beautifully consistent. Remember, the goal isn't to make your home look like a full display. The goal is to create a home that feels warmer, more inviting, more comfortable, while honoring the timeless pieces you already own. Those wicker baskets, rattan accents, and natural fiber rugs aren't just for summer. They're part of a well-designed home that looks beautiful in every season. Transition your pillows. Your pillows can completely change the mood of a room. Summer pillows often feature crisp linen, light cotton, and subtle textures. As fall approaches, introduce pillows with more visual weight, like velvet, heavy woven fabrics, chunky textures, rich embroidery, warm earth tones. Layering different textures creates interest without making the room feel busy. Transition your throws. One of my favorite seasonal changes is replacing lightweight linen throws with luxurious cashmere, soft wool, or chunky knit blankets. A throw isn't just practical. It's one of the simplest ways to make a room feel welcoming. Casually drape one across the arm of a sofa. Fold one over the end of a bed. Place another in a woven basket beside your favorite chair. Immediately, the room feels warmer and more inviting. Transition the fragrance of your home. Our home should appeal to all five senses. During summer, we naturally gravitate toward fresh scents like lemon, grapefruit, orange blossom, fresh linen, ocean breeze. As autumn arrives, our fragrances begin telling a different story. We use warm vanilla, sandalwood, cedarwood, amber, clove, and soft cinnamon. These comforting scents create an atmosphere that welcomes everyone who walks through your front door. Transition your decor. You don't need bins full of seasonal decorations. Instead, simply shift the materials you display. Trade bright summer accessories for pieces inspired by nature. Homemade pottery, weathered wood, stone, woven baskets, natural branches, wooden bowls, dried botanicals, amber glass, textured ceramics. The goal isn't to make your home scream fall. It's to make it feel grounded, warm, collected, comfortable, and timeless. The most beautiful seasonal transitions are the ones that happen gradually. Your home shouldn't look like one season ended overnight and another suddenly arrived. Instead, let each layer tell the story. A warmer pillow here, a cozy throw there, a beautiful candle, a few natural branches, a richer color palette. Before long, your home feels exactly like autumn, not because it's filled with new fall decorations, but because it captures the warmth, comfort, and beauty of the season. And every home transformation every home transformation begins with intention, not with shopping. Because in interiors, there is only one golden rule. You do you. Design is an individual expression. Express yours. I'll see you in the next decorating session. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all that have subscribed. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.